Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix duplicate transactions in Rocket Money. So if you see duplicate transactions in this app, they are usually caused by duplicate accounts connections, recent accounts reconnection, or temporary sign-in issues with your financial institution. In most cases, duplicates disappear after the new successful sign or can be resolved by removing the duplicate account connection. So actually guys, you will need first to check for duplicate linked accounts. So the most common cause of duplicate transactions is having the same financial account linked more than once. So just go ahead, open the Rocket Money app, and then just tap the gear icon that you can find the upper left corner here. Right, so now guys, you will find an option. It says linked account on left hand menu. So just go ahead and tap on it, then review your connected account. Right, so if you find the same account listed multiple times, remove the duplicate account connection while keeping the active one. Also guys, you will need to refresh your account. So if the duplicate transactions appear after reconnecting an account, you will need to tap on an option. You will find it here again. It says linked account. So just go ahead and tap it and refresh the affected account and allow the Rocket Money time to complete the synchronization. So temporary duplicate entries often resolve automatically after sign-in finishes. Right. Also, guys, you will need to check for dependent and posted transactions. So sometimes dependent transaction and its posted version can briefly appear at the same time. So if this happens, wait for dependent transaction to clear, refresh the account after the transaction posts, and confirm whether duplicate disappears automatically. So actually, guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.